Tom, we're standing on a dry riffle here that the fish can't pass through at the moment, but we have a pool downstream and a little interfloat. What kind of habitat do these offer even when we don't have fish passage?
Right. This is a truly ephemeral stream system where it periodically goes dry, and right now it's wet enough to keep the pools inundated, and those pools were a definite actual objective as part of the study to recreate them to provide areas for refuge for the fishes, because they sustain fish through the times of that are drier and until the spring floods or until a high rainfall event comes. And so that was a very important part of the overall design and through here. And I know we're standing in the channel and it's pretty dry, but these areas are, this is a tributary to the Root River and very critical. We found many different species, including darters, coming up in through here, and sticklebacks as well, so the pioneer species can get up in here, spawn and do their thing. And these areas are also going to be critical for the water quality on the Root River, which does have a lot of problems. And so this does help both treat water for total suspended solids and water quality aspects, and pretty critical then for the biology as well. And again, we were able to reconnect this with the floodplain. So again, it's designed to overbank and alleviate erosion on the channels. So that was an important aspect of this as well. So you can see there's a tremendous amount of material that was excavated as part of this and a recreation of a new floodplain, and that was a tremendous cost, but the project team decided together that this was the right thing to do, and it allowed for enhancements and expansion of riparian buffers and through for filtration, especially in an urban highway situation with all the runoff associated with all that. And so again, it was as part of the team with DOT and DNR and myself as part of that, that this was all a team effort in coming up with the best solution for this confined urban corridor and stream system.
So even though you have these intermittent pools, they're very rich in diversity and diversify the habitat too, both what's going on in the stream and then kind of continuing up in the wetland areas.
Yeah, I've come in here, of course this time of year is fall, and it was in a very dry period, but earlier in the spring it's not that uncommon when you come in here and see these isolated pools, and there are all kinds of amphibians and fishes that are in there kind of surviving and waiting for the next flow event, and wildlife is just quite diverse in around these pools. And so we were very happy that the design and through the construction that it all came and worked out so well.